Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we are reviewing mostly a Thomas one, but I found it in my car box. Yeah, it has a bit of Play-Doh here. That's because I used to play with it when I was small, guys. Wait, I need to take it off. Try to take it off, guys. Okay, never mind, guys. I can't take it off. So both of these can move like this. Yeah, they're moving. And I have a Great Western Railway one. All of these, I'm going to compare them. As you can see, this one is blue. The Great Western Railway is the old ones. This one is a real train. So the Great Western Railway model. Great Western Railway, it's nice and green. It has this. Pull it maybe. What? Let me check, guys. Hope you really can. Wait. Oh, I don't think you can, guys. Let me try again. Don't be too harsh with these models, because they can, if you be too harsh with them, then they can break easily. But they don't break easily when you're just doing this. Keep on doing it, then do. I don't think these attach really well, guys. The Thomas one is very lighter than the Persy one. So here, the Persy one, I already reviewed it to you. And here is the Thomas one. I don't know where the stairs are of the Thomas one. It doesn't have any stairs. Maybe it's broken. No, it isn't broken, guys. This one has stairs. Persy, as you can see from here, Persy is like that. It has a circle. And Thomas, it has like a rectangle, a square. As you can see, it's amazing, guys. Thomas has those two lights. Here it doesn't, but here there are those two cool stuff. It's really nice, actually, guys. Here is the back of the Thomas one, as you can see. And here is the top. That one has this, has a dot there. These have 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. As you can see, guys, now this one, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots, 7. No, that doesn't count, guys. It's the thing that coal goes out. Yeah. So this is another review comparing them. This here it says 6. Now let's go back. Here it says 1. Let's go back. Here it says Great Western Railway. It has no numbers. As you can see, it's very nice indeed. The Great Western Railway one. It's really nice indeed. It has these stuff. All of them have these, guys. These that come out. As you can see, it's so nice, guys. It's so nice. Suggest you should not sleep with it, just like that one. This one is a bit more fragile than the other one. The Persy one. This. So they're all the same. Now let's read the bottom of this one. It's class 26835. See this one. Class 26835. They're both the same. 835, 835, guys. Oh, it's bouncing. I already read this to you last time, guys. Just in case, I'll just read it again. Actually, no. I'll just read this one, guys. Two 26835. Leather vial. No. Wait, let me see. Guys, you don't have to look. I'll just read it. Leather vial. See if things open. I don't know. Okay, guys, I'm sorry, but I can't really read that really well. It has the same things as that. This isn't similar to them, guys. This one is a brown color, guys, so it isn't similar to them. So this video will be named, wait, let me just see if this will be. No, this one doesn't. Because, yeah. So here's Thomas, Percy, and Great Western Railway. So this video will be named comparing Percy, the tank engine, Thomas, the tank engine, and Great Western Railway. Bye, guys.